He's a big fish.
Jada's got a fish.
Oh my god!
A big fish.
Back up.
Oh, it's
back
so
up.
big!
Bring him over here.
Eh?
He's a jack.
A jack, a big jack.
You'll never bring him in on that.
Eh? What do you mean?
He just takes off and he pulls the line back out.
I'm filming it.
Oh, Daddy, this is hard!
Gotta back up.
Eh?
Back up.
Yeah. Whoa, it's huge.
He's seen the net and he
It's
just takes off,
huge.
eh? He sees the net and he just bolts. We're gonna have to bring him in quick.
Eh?
Oh, this is awesome.
Eh? I knew Jada would be the first. Eh? Oh my God! It's massive! Holy smokes! Look at this fish! Holy smokes!
Jada, go beside it.
Oh, it's huge! I've never seen a fish this big.
No!
Jordan, go take the coffee over on the brown dog.
Holy smokes, Jada! Eh?
Don't lose it, Rob. We are eating Jack.
No, I don't think it's good to eat.
I've never had one to try Jackfish. Okay, we have to get the thing.
Holy smokes! I've never seen a fish that big. No, it's not good eating. It's like full of
And then
bones.
you gotta catch him again.
Fish is just like
Okay,
these
take
kind
him
of
out
fish are
and
just.
take him out and put him
Let him
back.
out one time and I'll get one better picture of him.
Okay, we'll take
Wow!
Over there.
I need my line.
him. Oh, hurry up, put him back in the water.
Put him back in
So
there.
how do you get it out? What do you do?
Put him back in the water, Jada.
Oh, is he off the line?
Yeah, he's off the line.
Well, just grab
Jada,
him and throw him in.
Yeah.
No.
Jada, grab him and
You
throw
caught
him.
him. He's your buddy.
You want it?
What?
No, he'll be fine for a little while.
Dying.
Jada, you...
Go- Mike will do
Well,
it.
no, we can't keep him unless these guys want to eat him and they don't want to eat him. We need a...
Oh, here he comes. Here comes the. Hang on. He used to be the Toastmaster. Now he's the Fish Master.
And you know what? I've watched fishing shows before.
There you go. Grab him.
Are you picking him up? Move.
Apparently, I don't need to.
Is he slimy?
Oh.
Yeah, there's
I like my fish.
Wow, good job, honey. Wow, I've never seen really. I've gone fishing. I've never seen a fish that big. That was
big.
that was about like a 3-footer, eh?
no 3 pounds.
That was good. That was awesome.
I wanted to eat him.
Way to go,
You don't
Jada.
want to touch it. It's slimy.
I like slime.
Oh, God, is that slimy.
Now go catch a pickerel.